Today on World Famous Foods, loaded baked potato. Let's cook. Okay, so for our potatoes, we're gonna use a fork. Just poke some holes in them. Let the air flow once we start baking them. We'll do both of these, all right? Okay, next we're gonna pour some olive oil and coat the potatoes in oil. Do this for all the potatoes. Okay, next we're gonna wrap our potatoes in aluminum foil, but we're gonna add some salt and pepper. We're gonna bake them for between 75 and 90 minutes. Okay, so we got some hot oil in our pan. We're gonna saute some onions. We're gonna add some garlic. Then we're gonna add our shrimp. Our shrimp we had seasoned with some Slap Your Mama seasoning. Okay, now our shrimp, let's just turn them over. Oh yeah. Cook these for probably about 3 or so minutes per side. Okay, shrimp are done, so we're gonna just add some butter. Give this a little bit more flavor. Wait for our potatoes to get done. All right, folks, our potatoes are finished. Oh yeah. Now it's time to load them up. Ooh, hot to touch, too hot to handle. Add some butter. Add some shrimp. Remember now, this is loaded. Oh yeah. Add some cheddar cheese. And some pepper jack. And some bacon bits. Now we're gonna set this in the oven and let it melt a couple minutes. All right, folks, after a couple minutes in the oven to melt that cheese, here we go. World Famous Foods loaded baked potato. Enjoy.